Hello everyone, my name is Ajay and in this video we will see how we can install AAPanel on DigitalOcean. So let's get started. So this is the AAPanel. So here let's click on install AAPanel free. So it says we just have to run this script on our server and we are good to go. So let's jump to DigitalOcean. So this is the DigitalOcean panel. Let me create a separate project for this. For this I will be writing AAPanel. Click create project. Let me skip this part, and from here we will spin up a new droplet, and let me select the region closer to me, and then it also says 1 to 22. So let's select that 1 to this one, and then from the regular I am selecting the 2 GB 2 CPU, and let's go here, and here we have two connection method. One is via SSH and the second is via password. We can select any of the. I am currently selecting the SSH one, and from here let me name it AAPanel, and let me click on create droplet, and let's wait for the droplet to completely set up. Let's click on it, and also we will be assigning a reserved IP for this. Reserved IP is required if in case of system failure the IP does not change, and we have this IP which never changes like this. This is the public IP which changes if the system fails. So let's click on enable now. Enable reserved IP. Add to reserved. So now it's created and also assigned to a droplet. So it is created. Let's connect to it. For that, let me copy this and let me go to the terminal. Here I will be writing SSH root at IP. Since I have selected the connection mode as SSH, it will not ask for the password to enter. And now I am into the droplet. We can even go to click on this droplet and connect from directly from here. We can click on console, and we will be also in the terminal from the browser also. So let's run the commands directly via browser terminal. So let's go back to the panel. Here let me copy the script, and it's copied, and let's go to the terminal and paste here. And then we will have to wait. Do you want yes? Now it will take some time. Let me fast forward it. So now the AAPanel is installed. You can see this. So here we have the URL for the login page, and these are the login details. Username is this and password is this. It also says we need to release the ports mentioned here. Since we are installing on DigitalOcean, these ports are automatically released. But if you are going with some other server like AWS or any other, you need to manually release these ports. So let me copy this URL and paste in browser, new tab, and from here, since the SSL is yet not installed, we'll click on proceed, and now we are on login page. Let me copy the username and password and login. So now you can see the AAPanel is installed, and we can easily see the dashboard. So this was for now for this specific video.